Mercedes could still come to them. This is only the second lap. What we anticipate will be something in the region of 85 or 86 laps to be completed if we avoid a safety car, which so far we have. Kevin Say goes through Copse Corner, having fallen behind by Price in the end, so the Mercedes up to 12.
Yeah, so we've seen Mercedes on board following nearing. Now we're on board of the McLaren. We can see that Mercedes in front. Where's extraction? You've got a lot of curve there on the left. You've got to get it hooked up here. You've got Construct opening up this last Beckett's corner, trying to get the run onto the straight. So let's see, is there any speed differential? Looks pretty even at the moment, doesn't it? McLaren used to have a much bigger top speed advantage, but the new Evo has more downforce, thus more drag. You can actually see that BMW, look at that rocket ship, out-drag him all the way down. So now we've actually lost a place. BMW's a little bit wide. Can we get a run? No, the BMW looks quick. Darren looks on it. I think he's going to be in front of Mike Price by the end of this lap, maybe even the next corner.
This for 12th place, having started 18th, the big red Beamer, but can't quite find a way through for the time being. The orange McLaren in this group, by the way, is the Enduro car of Morgan Tilbrook, down 2 places from where he started. I thought he would move forward. The exact opposite has happened, but that could so easily happen, Joe. The early exchanges, we saw how busy it was through those first few corners. If you make the wrong choice, you go left when you should go right, it can cost you a couple of seconds, and today, that's a couple of positions.
Yeah, frustratingly so. As we see the BMW down to the inside, it looks like Price was giving her a lot of room there, easily done, and now their roles reversed. Oh, I can see a little bit of contact there. Sky 10 best to go around the outside. I think my